Hello everyone, welcome to watch this video. This video will focus on the connectives of results. Before I introduce the connectives of results, let me tell you what are connectives. Connectives are the glue that holds a text together. They join clauses together in a sentence. They are used to connect or to link one idea to another and one sentence to another. Connectives don't have to be just one word, they can be phrases. Different connectives have different functions. They might be used to make comparisons and contrasts, to provide additional points, to discuss the cause and effects, or to indicate time. In this video, we will focus on the connectives of results. Let's look at this example. The old woman was hungry, so she tried to eat the gingerbread man. So is used in this example. What is the function of this connective? When you want to indicate the result of an action or situation, you can use a result clause. All clauses in English have at least two parts. A noun phrase that means the subject, and the verb phrase that means the verb. Result clauses are introduced by the connective, such as so. The connective so is more informal and more commonly used in spoken English. We put a comma between the two clauses. Let's look at the following examples. We were hungry, so we stopped at a cafe for a snack. Ella was sick yesterday, so she went to Dr. Lee's clinic. Tina doesn't have a computer, so she does her computer project at school. From these three examples, you can find that the action comes first, followed by the connective so. After so, we will talk about the result. When we want to use the connective so, we need to follow this structure. This table shows you how to use the connective so. When you want to use the word so, you have to put it in the middle of the sentence, followed by a clause. A clause means the subject plus the verb. Let's look at one more example. Do you still remember how to use the connective so? Before using the connective so, you have to talk about the action first, followed by so. After so, we can talk about the result. Based on the structure, we can conclude that the answer should be I don't want to waste paper, so I write on both sides of the paper. The first part, I don't want to waste paper, is the action part, followed by the connective so. I write on both sides of the paper is the result. Apart from using the connective so to express the results, there are many other ways of talking about the results of an action or situation. In some situations, you may prefer to use other connectives, such as therefore, consequently, and as a result. These connectives are used to connect two sentences to show that something is caused by or naturally follows on from something else. These connectives are more formal and are more commonly used in written English. A comma is used after each of the above connectives. Let's look at these examples. The windows were all open. Therefore, a lot of mosquitoes came into the room. We knew what to expect. Consequently, we were not surprised at what happened. Catherine has been staying up late watching TV. As a result, she is getting pimples on her face and dark circles under her eyes. When we use therefore, consequently, and as a result, it is a cause-effect sentence. The cause comes first, followed by the connectives, and the last part is the effect. When we use the connectives of results, such as therefore, consequently, as a result, remember to add a comma after each of the above connectives. Before we end this video, let's do one more exercise. The question requires you to use the connectives consequently. Do you still remember when we use the connectives of consequently, it is a cause-effect sentence? We need to put the cause at the beginning, followed by the connectives. After the connectives, it is the effect. The answer should be, some students are overly concerned about their physical appearance. Consequently, they spend too much time and money on clothes and makeup. The first part is the cause, followed by the connective, the last part is the effect. After watching this video, I hope you know how to use the connectives of results and how to form the sentences. See you next time.